Hey guys, welcome to my channel, All Things GarageBand. I'm Jeremy Haas. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use your on-screen keyboard in GarageBand. It's a keyboard on the screen, basically. How to use that to access and use all the MIDI instruments and MIDI sounds in GarageBand. It's pretty sick. Without further ado, let's get started. Yeah. Alright guys, if you guys want to follow along, I'm going to go ahead and, I got GarageBand open here. I'm going to choose an empty project here and hit choose. Alright. So we got, it's already on the right square here. It's lit up green. It's MIDI software instrument. This is what we want. Okay. So let's see what the details. Oh, all right, we're all good. Let's hit create. Left click. Everything's a left click with my mouse unless I tell you it's a right click. Okay. So here we are. This is your first track here. This is your MIDI instrument. It's always going to start off with your default MIDI instrument, the classic electric piano. Okay. So, so we can hear this and access this. If you do not have a MIDI controller, like an external MIDI controller, or keyboard, or drum pad, you can use this right here. Check this out. Window. We're going to go down to Show Keyboard, and we're going to click on that. There it is. Huh, awesome, huh? A little small. How are we going to play that? Just kidding. I want to make it bigger, make it big. Grab that corner and pull it out, or like this also. Okay. So there you go. There we go. It's working. Awesome. So here we're gonna so this is, first off, I just want to tell you, this is your octaves right here. Okay, so you can have it around here. Got it? Cool. All right. So first off, I'm going to actually just go change the sound. I just want to go around, jump around here and show you some different sounds you can use with this. I really like the organs, the vintage organs. Let's go over here and check out what they've got. Classic rock organ. That's cool. 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 Okay. So yeah. So there you go. I'm gonna hit recycle here. I'm just gonna play a little bit real quick and hit record. It's hard to play in time. That's what I'm trying to show you with this. See, that's the best you're going to be able to. You're not going to be able to play in time like you would the MIDI keyboard, unfortunately. This is more just kind of like just to access your sounds or to punch in one note at a time. So this is, you know, if you don't have anything else, is the next best thing. You can use this and get around with this. So as you can see, it's hard to play in time. So yeah. So next off is here is your. If you go over here and you click on this, if that's not there, it should be. You can click on that bad boy. It'll bring down your different your sounds, and you can fine tune your sounds here for your MIDI instruments here. You know, change the vibrato, or you know, if there's percussion on some organs and stuff like that. The distortion, you can turn up or down. And reverb. So you got all these different sounds here. You can use, these are all your MIDI instruments. Drum kits. Reason I want to show you a couple different ones is drum kits. And the same with electronic drums also. But let's go and let's grab, let's say, what are we going to use today? SoCal. Okay. And you have made changes. Yes, I'm going to make changes. There we go. Okay, so the reason I'm showing you drum kits real quick is because they're slightly different in the way that you might start off. If you have your octaves too low or too high, you're not going to hear anything because there's only so many drum kits or drum pieces to a drum kit. So it's going to be more around here. You're going to look for your drum kits. We're going to start about right there. Okay, and then you can move up here for some more. It goes, you know, just keep going up, but eventually you're going to run out of kits. See, that's the very end of it too. It's there. So this is going to be your area you're going to be using for drum kits, okay, or for different drum pieces to your drum kits. Excuse me. And electric drum kit. Let's check out something like Flex. Doing all with the mouse, so it's really kind of hard to do, but yeah, you see what I'm talking about. Yeah. Okay. So you guys get the idea. Really simple. I'm not going to keep you here all day. It's very, very easy to do. I will have other videos showing you how to use musical typing next. That should be up in the thumbnail next. And you can use your for musical typing. You can use your computer's keyboard to actually play as a MIDI controller and use the keys here, just kind of like you're doing here, but without the mouse. Makes it a lot easier, especially if you don't have a MIDI controller yet. Also, I have some videos coming out showing you guys how to use your iPad or iPhone also as a MIDI controller. You get to use all that surface space in your iPad and record up to your Mac's GarageBand. It's sick. So, and also one last thing about the iPad and iPhone: if you have an older generation iPad or iPhone, like I started off with, you can't play in time and record up, in time. Why you can't use the surface? You can do all this. You just got to transfer anything you're working on your GarageBand on your Mac to your iPad, and then you can add the drum kits and different sounds in your GarageBand's your iPad's GarageBand. Okay, and then you just transfer it back when you're done and add it to your the rest of your project up there. So it's a little bit more of a process, but there should be a video already out on how to transfer files back and forth in between your iPad and your Mac and your iPhone also. Okay, hope it was helpful, guys. All right, guys, if you guys want to see more videos like this, anything to do with GarageBand on your Mac, your iPad, or iPhone, please check out my channel, All Things GarageBand. If you guys want to learn how to use GarageBand's bigger brother, Logic Pro, it's like GarageBand on steroids. It's sick. Please check out my channel, All Things Logic. I'm Jeremy Hawes. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. That leaves it wide open. See you guys. Yeah.